What would happen if we gathered a group of singers, spoken word artists, producers, instrumentalists, and poets, placed them in groups, and challenged them to write, produce, and perform fresh songs in one day? That's what the Spikenard Songwriting Camp is all about. With a desire to cultivate a culture of celebration over comparison and collaboration over competition amongst creatives, the Songwriting Camp is a full-day collaborative experience designed to help creatives connect, break mental barriers, explore new musical frontiers, and celebrate the richness that comes from a collaborative process. Sign up for our next Songwriting Camp. Expect to be refreshed, challenged, and to experience a fun day out with fellow creatives.